Hey, what's up guys? It's really late as you guys can see right there. Just trying to make a video just because I'm bored at night. Now I can use my face camera because I'm tired. So I'm going to do what happens on the battle bus stays on the battle bus. So hope you guys like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. Sorry, my throat is not feeling good right now.
On the recent videos. 93% of you who watch my videos, however, are...
This ain't mine, but hold on. Sorry. Here we go. So it's raining, I guess. Oh, I get it. Yeah. Oh, it's storm. No. Why, storm? Why? Oh, he's making Hulkbuster.
Show off.
Pause the video here. So, I was looking through my analyst. I only have 3.4 watch time and only have 200 views. So, if you could tell your friends to subscribe, and I only have 11 subscribers, so I hope you guys tell your friends about me. And please, and thank you.
Oh, smash!
Groot's in the back. Oh, look at the...
I am Groot.
Oh, Meows. Oh. Wait, is his dad gonna come? I'm pretty sure his dad's gonna be here. No, Captain America. Oh, are you joking?
That's America's ass. Bow before the strongest villain who has ever come to Fortnite. What are you pointing
Heck, Galactus.
at?
Thank you guys. Well, it was a short video, but thank y'all for watching. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bells. The post notifications. And shout out his channel. He's not that bad of a YouTuber. I just started watching him. I forgot to subscribe though. But I just started to watch him. Hope you guys like him and subscribe back. See y'all later.